For this operation, you will need an Allen wrench and a screwdriver. First, remove the outer panel. For your convenience, the instructions have been included on the back side of the outer panel, as well as in a loose leaf folded paper. For instruction purposes, cam C corresponds with switch G, which is the collapsed position of the jack. Cam D corresponds with switch H, which is the open position of the jack. A light has been used to indicate contact between the cam and the switch. Step 1. To adjust the G switch, first position the travel of the jack to the collapsed position. Loosen the red set screw with the Allen wrench. Step 2. Adjust cam C until electrical contact is made. Step 3. Retighten the red set screw to lock the limit switch into position. Step 4. To adjust the H switch, first position the travel of the jack to the open position. Loosen the blue set screw with the Allen wrench. Step 5. Adjust cam D until electrical contact is made. Step 6. Retighten the blue set screw to lock the limit switch into position. Then replace the back panel.